Hello dear students, here in this video I will explain you the pattern of your compulsory English paper intermediate part 2. Just like the paper pattern of intermediate part 1, your paper also consists of the 3 sections. Section 1, that is section A, consists of objective paper, and it carries 20 MCQs, 1 marks each. Right, and the section B here contains 40 marks in it, and these 40 marks are to attain from your textbook. Section C consists of your grammar portion and your self-writing based paper it is. So these are the 3 basic sections of your paper. Now let's discuss the paper in detail. First of all, one thing to remember, student, that your paper has a specific version number, and you have to fill that version number in your box given below. Fill that box in the same pattern that is given in your paper, in the sample paper here. Like 8 in the first column, you have to fill the box number 8 with the marker and not with the pencil or means the lead pencil. And remember one thing, do not cut any of the box, any of the bubble box, or the overwrite it, overfill it, right? Same like the pattern roll number, you also have to mention the roll number first into the box given here in number, and later on you have to fill this bubble according to your numbers of the roll number. Then you see on the right side, put your answer sheet number that is given to you by the examiner. Put your sign here on the second thing, sign of the candidate, and then the invigilator sign camera. So here are the 20 MCQs given below, carrying 1 mark each. And at the bottom of the paper, you also have to put your roll number here. Coming to the subjective part of the paper, your section B, question number 2. It is basically a comprehension passage. The passage is given and you have to write down the meaning or sometime understand the meaning of the words underlined there and to write a summary of the passage. But not you only have to write the summary, but you also have to give the title. Just like here, the question number 1 subsection, write down the summary of the passage and suggest a suitable title. This question is compulsory from the question number 2. And from the question given below, you have to attempt 5 short questions carrying 4 marks each. So the total marking of this passage is 28. Next comes the question number 3. This is basically a stanza or the poem from the poetic extract. It carries 6 marks with 3 questions each. Means 3 questions multiplied by 2. It is it contains total 6 marks, and you have an option to this question. The question number 3, section B, answer one of the following parts of the question. This is basically from the literary point of view. You have to came to know through your course while you are studying that what are the literary terms that are associated with your text. So this question is quite related to that, and you have to attempt 1 question out of 2. Here 40 marks of the section B complete. Section C starts here with question number 4, and this is an essay writing which is based on self-writing. You are given with the 2 topics with the outlines. What you have to do to pick the outline and write 1 para for each outline, and do not forget to put the conclusion at the end of the essay. This essay contains 12 marks and the essay should be at least 250 to 300 words. Now come the question number 5. It has 3 sections of 5, 5 and 5, means 15 marks of the question. Question number 5, part A. There are 5 errors of preposition, spelling, verb, noun, and adverb in the given paragraph. You have to identify and rewrite it correctly. Number 2, use the 5 of the following idioms in sentences. Number C, change the following conversation into the direct form of narration. That you very well understand what is meant by direct and indirect narration. So you have to convert this para this conversation into that form, indirect narration. Number 6, write a report to the editor of a newspaper about the sugar crisis in Ramzan. This question carry 8 marks. It has 4 suggestion points over here. So keep in mind the proper pattern you have to follow for this. Question number 7. Use appropriate transitional devices in any 5 of the blanks to complete the process. Use each transitional device only once. The devices are given below and other, therefore, in conclusion, first of all, secondly, but while means the blanks given below. You have to put these words into that blanks to complete the paragraph, right? So this is your all pattern of the paper with the marking explanation. Hope you guys understand it well. Jazakallah.